Hi, I'm Craig with ApplianceVideo.com, and today we're going to show you how to test out a heating element. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. You will need a multimeter for component testing. Heating elements are used in various appliances, such as dishwashers, ovens, or dryers. Now these are three common heating elements that I have. We have a bake element for an oven. We have an electric heater for a dryer, as well as an electric string heater for another dryer. Now, the most common reasons why you'd be replacing an element would be if the unit is not heating at all, or the element may be staying on. So let's go ahead and show you how to test it out. All variations of elements should test out the same way. Now, the first complaint would be no heat. What I would do in a situation where it's not heating is I would get my ohm meter and I would put it on ohms, and each one of these elements should test anywhere from 10 to 50 ohms. So I'm gonna put it on an audible reading, and you should hear a noise if the element is good. And we can do the same with this one, showing that the element is good in this situation. So if it's not heating and the element is testing out fine, it's probably not the element. The other common complaint that you'll find is that the unit is overheating. Now this can be tricky. What I would do is set the unit to ohms, and you're going to test from one of the terminals to ground. Now, different situations, you're going to test it in a different manner. The oven, you're going to test one of the terminals from here to the casing. The same with this element. You'll test from the terminal to the casing to see if it's grounded out. Now this one, having its own casing, what we'll do is we'll put the meter leads on one terminal, we will put it on the casing, and you'll see that it's actually grounded out. You may not be able to see it, but this is an indication that the element is bad. In the event that you do need to change out one of these, it's usually not too big of a deal. But if you do feel uncomfortable, I highly advise that you call for service. And this will wrap up how to test out a heating element. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.